Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell, and welcome to my channel. Looks like my necklace is going crazy like a pendulum. Let's get it a little straight there. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed, I would like to ask you to consider subscribing if you like my content. I do lots of different kinds of videos. And today we're going to do a habitation box video. And Habitation Box or Habitation Company, or I think she does call it Habitation Box, is a decor box, and I had subscribed to it many times. I'll put my little playlist and or a video up there across there if you want to go see a past box. But it's beautiful decor, home decor by Kelly Agra, and she does an excellent job, and she's right there with you. But I just got to getting so much home decor that I just had to back off. But she's having a 50% blowout sale. I don't know how long this is going to last. She doesn't really have an expiration on it. But I wanted to let y'all know what was going on so that if you're interested in getting some individual pieces at 50% off, and they're very nice decor, I'm going to show you a variety, okay? I'll put the link down in my description so that you can pop over there and check it out. But like I said, this is going to be a mixture of different items from Habitation Box, and it's not going to be in any particular order. Get some stuffing out of the way, and let's just go with the first item that's on top here. And give you kind of a little sneaky peek, not much of a peek because it takes up the whole top there, right? Well, let's get this out of here. Okay guys, this is a candle ring, and it is fall, so I mean, like, it may not be in season right now, but it's something you can use. And this normally is $9.99 on in her store at habitationbox.com, and right now you can get this for $5. It was $9.99. It's called the Sunflower Candle Ring. Very, very cute. And you know, I thought this would be great for decor, of course, for fall. And of course, it's got the little corn on there, and this, I guess, a faded sunflower a little bit. But you know, you're getting into fall, so things are starting to kind of slowly die off. Now, the next item I'm pulling out of here, oh, tightly packed there, is this right here. And this here is a wire, I want to say a wire basket, but it could be used for like a candle. You could set a candle down in there, and it says it's a wire lantern, so not a wire basket, but to me, I mean, it could be a wire basket, right? But it's got the rope handles on there. It's made really well. And like I said, you could drop a candle down in there. If you had some flowers, you might could drop some flowers in there and use it as an arrangement. What else could you use this for? I know there's many other things. If you have like a little cute, little rounded, like decor item that could sit right down in there and you could see through there, or if you had some little birds that you might want to sit down in there. But this was $9.99. It's on sale right now for $5. So, I mean, great little basket and a nice little decor piece. And none of this is really going to match. I just picked out a hodgepodge of things that were on sale. And when you go on there, her boxes, now if you go on there and you see like a Habitation box for $69.99, that is not going to be half price at $30. None of those boxes are eligible. These are individual decor items. Now, the next item I'm pulling out of here is a welcome home. And isn't that cute? I guess this could be really for any season, but probably for spring is what I'm thinking. But I don't know. It could be for any time. You got holidays all around in there. And a welcome home sign. This is $15. And it's made out of solid wood, as you can see. And you can get it now for $7.50. So there's our maker on there, the Sincere Surrounding Company, made in the USA. So like I was telling you, she buys good quality products. You can tell there that this is solid wood, white on the back. Just very, very nice. And of course it just sits, which, you know, you can't see that, but it's thick enough to just sit like on your entryway or somewhere like that. Very, very nice for $7.50. The next item I'm pulling out of here is a little ceramic planter, but it could also be used in your kitchen as, you know, like if you want to put like utensils or something in there. You could also use this where you would put a basin and put some flowers in there, and or, you know, I guess the fake flowers, whatever, or like a greenery plant that might fit down in there. Or you could put utensils in there, or even like knives and forks if you're having a party or something, like around the 4th of July. And this here runs $19.99 normally, but of course you can get it now for $10. And look at the detail on there. Isn't that just beautiful? Really, really nice. I like that. Very, very nice. I like blue, of course, and blue goes in my kitchen. Now, you know, pink's my favorite, but I'd say blue's my next favorite color, just in case you want to know. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, okay, yeah, I got this, because guess what's coming up this summer? That's right, we're going to be having Memorial Day and July the 4th, so this is perfect for that. I don't know how long it is. I would say it's 2 feet, so it's not going to take a big long area in your room to display it, or in your area that you might want to display it. Maybe at your entrance, you know, on the welcome table. So not welcome table, but entry hallway. But wherever you want to put it. But I thought it was cute. $9.99, got it for $5. So another good buy. Great deal that you might want to check out. The next item I'm seeing in here is Autumn Wishes. This is adorable. Now, I have this, so I have another one, don't I? This here runs, I want to say $20, but I don't remember. Let me look. Oh, Autumn Wishes is what it's called. It was $12.99. Now you can get it for like, what, $6.50? And this is made out of wood. Of course, it's got like a little bracket here, I guess, that you could use for hanging it up, and or it can sit. So it can be dual purpose, but I just think this is adorable for $6.50. And like I said, I know it's out of season, but if you want to prepare, and you know, I know it says autumn, so you can pretty much just use this through the fall, but it's just adorable. And if you like that farmhouse white look with a little bit of the natural tones, you'd really like that. And like I said, right now it's half off. So let's see what else I have in here. Oh, now I got these little flowers, and these are just like, I don't know what they called them. I think it was autumn flowers, $2.99, so I got it for $1.50. So I mean, like, this was really a great buy. Don't know that they're still there though. When I looked yesterday, I think this was sold out, but that was a good price. Glad I got it. And then the next item I have is a iron welcome sign, and this is 47th and Main that made this. Now this is not a large sign, so when you go on the side and you see the sign, don't be thinking that you're going to be getting this huge plaque that says welcome. And I wouldn't say it's overly sized too much. It says iron welcome sign, $9.99. You can get it now for $5. And again, I don't know how long that sale will last, but this is actual iron, and iron, is that how you say it? Iron, that, you know, iron, how we say it. This is some iron. Let me iron your clothes for you. But anyway, that's what this is, and it's something that, again, you can use in your entryway or anywhere else that you might want to use a welcome sign. Heavy duty. And you know what, guys? I think that was it. So what do you think? Altogether, those items, half off, was $45.50. Now, I will tell you that shipping, if you don't, you know, buy 100 and I guess 150, I'm not sure what her free shipping range is, but she does have a free shipping range, and if you don't meet that, you'll pay shipping. Shipping is kind of a flat rate, and it may vary on how much you order, but it was $15.99. So $45.50 plus $15.99, what is that? Around $62.50 plus if you have tax. I don't remember if you get charged tax. If you live in her state, you probably do. I don't know if there's tax on all things. But anyway, that's Habitation. Let me know what's your favorite out of this little haul. I've got my autumn wishes. I've got my fall little candle holder and our decor. It's a little wreath, so you could use it any way you wanted to. Got my little fall flowers here, but I might could use, well, probably not for spring, because you can tell it's kind of looking a little on the dying side, so to speak, for fall. And then we got our USA, so this is definitely something that you could use now for $5. And then this little ceramic, either flower pot holder or plant holder, or like I said, utensils, or if you're having a 4th of July, you could have your forks, spoons, and knives in there. You could have rolled up napkins in there if you want it to look all fancy. We also had this welcome sign that was made out of wood for what, $7.50. And then of course we had the wire cage. I don't know, I call it a wire basket. They didn't call it that, but anyway, with a rope handle. So let me know, what's your favorite item? Isn't that a great buy? And just head on over there. I don't have any, oh, the code, it's Spring50. All in caps, Spring50. I'll have that down in my description so you can check it out if you want to buy anything, if you need anything. They have other things on there. I just picked out these, but you may see something else that's, on sale that you would like. She has some ceramic not pictures, but pictures. She has some plants, like some greenery plants that you might be interested in. I don't know, just all kinds of decor items and all the seasons. I don't remember if I seen too much for Christmas, but I seen fall, spring, and summer is what I remember. But anyways, guys, that's what I have for Habitation Box. Been a while since I've shown one of these. And again, this is not the subscription box. I went in her shop and bought these items, and I hope you can go in there and buy them too. That's another thing. If you've never bought Habitation, I don't even know if you can get into her shop. But if you can, it's habitationbox.com. And you can go in there. I know there's been a couple of you that have gotten the Habitation Box, so you would probably be eligible. But check it out and see. I hope you can. I feel like I got a really good deal. You let me know what you think. And as for today, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that might be currently going on. Oh, we have the Easter collab. The Easter Golden Box Hunt collab is out right now. 8 channels, 8 giveaways, 8 different boxes. We're going to choose a grand prize winner, so someone will get 2 of those. I'll put that playlist. We'll get 2 because they'll win from a channel, and then their name will be on a wheel, and they have a possibility of winning the grand prize. And that ends, I think, on April 7th. So be sure and get in on the fun with that. Like I said, there's 8 channels. But as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.